let's see about spraying this thing down again now. All right, guys. See how she. Oh. One place I forgot to scrub. Uno momento, por favor. All right, so now let's spread that out. So, sorry guys if I keep getting it all wrong here. I'm not giving you the right angle here. Hang on, guys. There you go. Look at that. Much better. Much better. It's looking a lot better. What I think I'm gonna do though, because it's still a bit greasy, I think what I'm gonna do is to go ahead and get that degreaser over here and see if I can't make it a little less greasy. Hey, there you are. Now you're clean. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. What's going on, guys? So I'm just going ahead, and I had a little bit left over that I didn't clean prior to going ahead and painting this transmission that I bought, this one right here. So I went ahead and I forgot to clean this up too, so I went ahead and cleaned this up and cleaned up because I didn't do the whole bottom side. But as you can see, it is now nice and clean. Now I'm just waiting on it to air dry so I can come back in through. You can see it came from up here in the north, so you can see all this stuff right here is just all this white stuff. That's basically just like the salt and whatnot and what it does to aluminum. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and paint it. If you are part of my Instagram or Facebook, you will know that I am going to paint it green. And when I got this, I did not think about the fact that it's actually the same color as what my channel color is. So that's what we're going to do here, and I'll come back to you when I'm ready to paint it once this thing air dries. All right, 1 second, guys, or well, a few minutes, guys. What's up, people? So I apologize, I did not show me painting the transmission, but y'all know how to paint. You don't need me to show you that. I will show you what it looks like though. So this is grabber green. I figured, you know, my channel has some green to it. This actually works out great. I didn't paint this because I'll be removing this, but I did go ahead and paint the tail shaft that I will be putting on. That way, and I also didn't paint inside there because I don't believe in painting inside there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the tape on, let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in the Prius and get it out of the way. I went ahead and took this off right here. As you can see, it is broken right here. That will be replaced. But yeah, other than that, she is good to go. Now I don't have to worry about getting stuff all over my hands because I hate touching greasy stuff. That's why I did this. So that's gonna be it for today. Hey everybody, so yep, I'm back in Mississippi now, and when I got back I had quite a few goodies, and I figured what the heck, I'll just add this into the end of it, of my video of me unboxing these goodies. So what I have here in this box right here is going to be an S10 part. and we will see what that is. This is a BMW part, which I'll be opening that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna open up the BMW one first, so I'll stick that there, and that is another S10 part. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this one first, and we're gonna see what we got in here. I'm pretty sure I already know what's in here, but here, hold on. I'm gonna set you guys up so you can see what's going on too. It's got these little pins here too, so I don't want to mess up my nice purse y'all here. Anybody that's enthusiast in knives, I still use my knife to, you know, for whatever. Though, okay. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. All right. So, what you got here? Got some of these Eldor coils, because mine, if you haven't seen that video, I have a video where I was having some high boost misfires, and so I thought the spark plugs were the issue. They helped, but the other issue was the coils, and so I just did some research to find out which ones were the best, and honestly, different people say different things. So I'm not here to say that these are the best. These are just what I've picked up. They have Eldor. There are, I might not even be saying that right, but that's how I see it. There's Bosch, and then there's, oh yeah, Delphi. Yeah, obviously. Here, get you the pin number here. I will also have this in the description. So these are supposedly the latest version. Let's unbox one and see what they look like though. So it's got the new design. So yeah, can't wait. We'll put these in today because the BMW needs them. They're kind of lacking in the horsepower range when it doesn't have the right coils in there, just like every car does, or well, when it doesn't have functioning coils. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yep, I got all the ones I'm supposed to have. So that is all for the BMW. There will be a video on that. Oh, and look, I made a mess. Sweet. Yeah. All right. So sorry y'all had to witness that. Let's open this one here. Okay, you know, I always wonder if I should go ahead and like wear gloves or something when I'm getting into these things, but oh well. As I suspected. Alright, so here is the piston kit for the transmission. There are all the discs. Various gaskets and O-rings. I do believe this will be the filter. Yep, the filter. And let's see if it's the band. Yep, this will be the band and some bearings. So here's the band, and here's the bearings. It's got the red material on it. So, so basically, yeah. This is a, they call this a stage 3 kit. So I'm not sure what the difference in a stage 1 and a stage 3 kit is. I'll have to look and see, but yeah, this is what I need right here. And let's see, how many friction plates does it have? It's like 6 friction plates. So normally stock, I do believe, I could be wrong, comment in the section if I'm wrong, but I do believe it's 5 friction pads for a stock 4L60. This one has 6, so it's 1 more. I tried to count the ones in here. I think it's 6 also for these friction pads as well. And yeah, I can't wait, man. It's gonna be nice, man. I can't wait. But yeah, got all of this right here. So this is gonna be a nice little video. I've never messed with an automatic transmission. Hell, I've never messed with a manual transmission tearing into one either. So this will be quite the experience for me. And yeah, just look out for that video for that. But I'm gonna put this stuff back away so it's safe. So basically all I should have to do with the transmission in the valve body is replace the there's a, I don't know if what they call it, a gasket or whatever that goes in between that has different holes in it, so it has different pressure or whatever and whatnot. So there's one of those in there. Maybe that has something to do with the stage 3 as well. Maybe it has different whatevers, don't know. Maybe whoever's watching this, they'll know, and you can comment in there and I'll learn something from you. So I like to learn, always learning. But let's look at this box. This is the big one. So let me set you back up again. But we're gonna set you up where you can look this way. Turn you down. Alright. I can see right off, they sent me some stickers. I got this directly from the manufacturer of this crossmember. So I actually got this from G-Force. Website is crossmember. So yeah, see, as you can see, let me get you a better look at that. So got this from G-Force, crossmember.com, crossmembers.com. This was $275. It was $20 shipping, which is actually a really good price for a nice, good, robust crossmember. And you're about to see what I mean about that. They packaged it really well. I mean, oh yeah, that's some, oh wow, that's gonna be a strong, oh yeah, check this out. So as you can see, this metal is very thick. I mean, I'll show you, I'm gonna compare this to the stock one and I'll let you look at the difference. Let me show you what makes these things so much better there. Let me set this thing down. Alright, so what makes this thing so nice is, obviously, it is really thick. I mean, we're talking half an inch, if not more than that. Actually, here, look, I have a tape measure right here. So yeah, half an inch thick right there. I mean, obviously this is a little bit thinner, but that's okay. But I mean, it has this right here so the exhaust can run through here, and also the exhaust can run through here. Now this is a factory mount. It'll be bolting right back up to where it bolted up from the factory, and also obviously right here too. Man, I can't wait. This thing looks so good. Now I don't usually put stickers on there, but G-Force, you're getting a sticker put on the truck. I appreciate you. This definitely helps finish the build up. Gets me a lot closer. Yeah, I can't wait. I have to add some stuff, add some stickers to this table too. So, but man, that's awesome. All right, guys, and look, I do believe here. What did they send here? I'm not. I need to sharpen my knife. Oh yeah, okay, I know what that is. Oh yeah, so hardware right here. Got a little plate. This plate, I do believe, I'm not wrong, I do believe this plate goes over on the driver's side. And they also have one for the passenger side. There you go, guys. And another one. I'll have to look, see about that. And then this right here will actually go, I'm not sure if it goes here. I guess just in case you have some issues bolting it, this bolts right here, and then the transmission actually bolts in right here. But yeah, it's nice, so nice, so very nice. I can't wait. So leave that. Oh man, I can't wait to put this in. I gotta rebuild the transmission first before I can put this in. But as soon as I do that, man, I can't wait. Man, this thing's coming along so fast. It just, yeah. I figure I'm gonna go naturally aspirated at first, and then we'll just build it up as we go. I'm still learning. You know, I've raced some stuff here and there, but yeah, it's always still a learning experience. You don't want to just jump into you don't go out to the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and then jump in without anything. So that's what I'm trying not to do. So I'm gonna swim in the river a little bit and work my way out to the open water. So if you'd like to join and come along for the ride, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, and see you guys later.